Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing another teeth whitening product. Yay! They actually sent this to me for review. They're not paying me for anything else. In fact, they're not paying me at all. They just sent me the product. So we are going to look at it and review it. So the product we have here is Active Wow. And this is Premium Teeth Whitening Kit for fast whitening. And I've never used this before either, so this will be fun. On the back here it says mold trays, then apply the gel to your teeth. Heat the trays to fit the shape of your teeth, then apply the whitening gel directly to your teeth with a cotton swab. Whiten with LED light. Place the tray and LED light in your mouth and wait for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse and smile. Rinse out your mouth with water and share your smile with everyone. On here it does say that it is not tested on animals. It is also made in the USA. And let's see, let's go ahead. Okay, there's the bag. There is whatever that is. We'll look at that more in a minute. And another bag. So this has more information on what to do. Bring a cup of water to a boil, remove from heat, and wait for about 30 to 60 seconds. Dip a single mouth tray in water until softened. Wait about 10-15 seconds. You know what? I don't have any hot water, so I will go get some. Okay, so I've got my hot water, and now I'm prepared to go to the next step. So I'm assuming this is the mouthpiece, and let's give it a go. Yep, this is it. Oh, so there's like, oops. So there's three. Do you use one or two? I guess you use one, maybe two, I don't know. Anyways, let's, it says 5 to 10 seconds of the hot water, and then I stick it in my mouth. There's that. I think I want to do the bottom anyway, so let's do the bottom too. I probably shouldn't have worn lipstick. Maybe I'll take that off because I'm getting it all over the place. Okay, there's the bottom one. Okay, lipstick's off. Now I can focus. I'm going to do the bottom again since I messed that up. They only gave you 3, so be very careful. So I have the top and bottom done. And there we go. So I'm gonna do both. That's gross. Saliva everywhere. Alright, anyways, so let's get into this part. Okay, so there's that. The container to keep it in. These little things, which I'm not sure what they are yet. And this guy. Alright, so let's see what we do next. Place the tray in your mouth, bite, form down, use your fingers to press firmly. Once satisfied with the shape, cut off the tab with scissors. Repeat steps 1 and 2 for second tray for other row of teeth. Apply whitening gel syringe with twist cap to open. Oh, okay, so that twists off. Okay, apply a small drop of gel onto a cotton swab and apply thin, even layer onto each visible tooth. If you don't have a cotton swab, apply directly to your teeth or tray. Okay. Avoid getting gel on your gums. And then it says place form trays in your mouth. Let me make sure this has like battery on it, because that, I don't want to have like all the stuff ready and then, oops. Okay, so let's try that again. Battery in here. So we take one of these. One of these. Okay, so I took the little thing off there and I'm putting this one on. So I had it on for about 15 minutes. Not the most comfortable thing in the world. I probably should have trimmed it like they suggested. I don't know that it's, I don't know if I got it dud or not, because I feel like it should click on and stay on, because I was having to hold it and that's a little uncomfortable. Again, I don't know if I was a dud or not, but that is, let's see if we can get it, there we go. So yeah, I don't know if this one is a dud or not. I'm gonna reach out to the company and find out. But yeah, that's what it does. This is my teeth. I will insert some photos of before and after. I took the before photo with lipstick, so I will take the after photo with lipstick so you can have a comparison. I usually have pretty white teeth even though I drink coffee regularly and all the things that should stain your teeth. I do try to take care of my teeth, so I don't know how much you're going to see in one use. But this says you can use this every 2 to 3 days. So maybe I will use it a few more times and come back and then we can see. And I will have the first picture, well, I'll insert the first picture of today, and then later on I'll do a follow-up with the first picture and the last one. Well, I'm back. Obviously I'm back. So I'm gonna try this out again for the second time. And so I figured out why I couldn't get it to stay on. There's 2 batteries and I only found one, so in order to make it work I had to hold it down. But there's 2 now, so when I hit it, it stays on like it's supposed to. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second one, and of course I will do a third one at another time. But I have these, and I did, I'm sure you guys noticed this, I ended up having to clip these off because you can't really use this like that if you have the things on it. So, gotta remember which one's the bottom and which one's the top. Okay, got it. So now I am going to go ahead and do this portion and okay, I'm a sloppy mess. So that was the second time I've used this. I'm going to try it again in a few more days. But anyways, really easy to use, and now that I got it working right, it works great. So I will check back in with you guys later. Alright, so I am back to give this guy a go for the third time. You've already seen me try it twice, so I will not be sitting here filming it during the third try. I do have the lip color that I wore in the pictures, so when I display the photos at the end, they will consistently have the same lip color, so hopefully you can see the differences. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and I will be back after that. I'm going to go ahead and put it on in front of you guys, and then I'm going to go do my stuff. So this little surgical thing. And by the way, the stuff is very minty. I don't know that I said that before, but I've said it now. Alright, so I am back. I have finished my last use of these. I have washed it out because it's nasty having that all up in your mouth. Final thoughts. I definitely think this does work. I think it's great for quick whitening. I definitely think my teeth are whiter. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see it or not, but they definitely feel whiter, and for it to be able to be done in just a few, literally, was it 15-20 minutes, and then you get this, I think that's wonderful. I think that's great. I don't really have anything else to say about it. I like the fact that this is easy and quick to use. It looks a little interesting walking around with this in your mouth, but it works. And I have nothing else to say other than it's great, it works, and if you want your teeth whitened quickly, get one of these. Otherwise, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if this is a product you think you might be using and why or why not. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video.